Uba Martin M. Dango belawan Rungbiang siya kaseng NPP hadin ka jing siya remno ha ka election siteng samoy narani kor constituency ha uba Pius Marwen jong kaseng United Democratic Party ulong ba tarai syu ba undang yele election biang sachisin. Hapa pensko halor kene kapang ba kwa syu ban yele election ulong ba hadin ba ula job election MLA arajar khatpra na kaseng Congress bat ula trikamru kumu MLA bat ba ula bu ye jing kerpat siya ka sorkar MDA ban donno ya ka civil subdivision claim penslam bat claim ke lain kene ka sorkar kala ai bat karani kor kala yo ya ka civil subdivision da ka jing sungu burom ya sorkar balailam da ka parti NPP ula resign no na jinglong MLA na kaseng Congress bat yakun pat na kaseng NPP Henry Kipai ba Kim Syam la kersan shu yau bat ula syarem no ha kene election siteng samoy ula ongru ba ula sange no na kamsany perthei namar ula ai kijing syakri syakipat ba la kumba arpos nem kenti bat ula laru ban pnio ya shibun kijing bentoy khamtam kijing wanra ya civil subdivision ya karani kor ula ongru bagi pai ba Kim Syam la ajing job shu yau ha kene election siteng samoy kum juru ya kikam ki ba ula trai baro shi kata badah ke juga por mauru ula ino ya keseng NPP la kumbakat to kane por bad dei hadin baulayo ban yekran bad ya kendu ya menteri rangba ke sorkar jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma bad kumjuru ya kinong ilam jong ke parti NPP kiba kentup ya ba jigur merthong ubeu MLA jong ke Motion Road kibalaya selok ya bad ula Rungbiang sya ke parti NPP
to decide that was the so it took a long 2 years so to come to the conclusion. After thorough consultation, hadin lade consult benia lapne ki grassroots level, but kamtam ekini ki leader badon hakamat mata. Ta santai lapoi saka conclusion. Ni pabet ya dango banle biang sasichin job ne remru. Tang bangin pano naka parti NPP hi. Tenagarau habalarai maki ngaong katba mon larang pipa sa dujok dengan lekbet abang kapi majority di lamon larai bade ngan lekum nosu ngade mon menjur bet lada pasa dujok hadu kata ngala jibam dia mentaga singi katkum karai jongki de ngi lapun ulung no mentaga singi ni wandrung no hakmat jongki sakai NPP with the full hope that NPP can give better service to our state and to the nation as a whole. Has already our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister already stated the good response that we are having in other states also that is already conveyed to us by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister just now. So likewise, as he has wished, we all of us wish through the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Konrad Sangmaji, I think our party will become a single largest majority or absolute majority we can.